In this quick tutorial I will show you how to upload photos, documents, videos and files to Google Drive and share the link. And that's easier than you think, so what you have to do, let's head over Google Drive. This is a quick way to access Google Drive, and once inside it, create a new folder and you will see why. At the end of this video I will name it Untitled Folder, you can name it how you want. Once you have the folder created, double click on it to enter the folder and let's press on new and file upload, and let's upload this photo, this video, this document and this file. Let's press on open. And as you can see, all these 4 files are being uploaded right now. If you want to share a specific item, a specific file from this folder, hover your mouse over it, you'll find 3 dots right here, share and share. But I'll show you a way how to share the entire folder. So here at the top you can find the folder name and an arrow. Let's press on this arrow, select share and share once again. Here at general access you can see at restricted, click on it and select anyone with link, and we have to give some permission here. If you select just the viewer, anyone who will access your link, they can view what's inside the folder and they can download it. If you select editor, they can organize, add and edit the files. I will leave just the viewer. Let's copy the link and now I will press on done, and let's see, I will paste here the link, and this is what they will see on their end. After they will access your link, they can see everything which is inside the folder and they can download any file from inside here. So this is how to upload files on Google Drive and how to share the link with anyone who you would want. Thank you a lot for watching and bye bye.